Okay, so 9.4, here we go. So they're giving us this list of numbers, and they're saying, hey, give me the next three terms and give me the nth term formula. And this is arithmetic, quadratic, geometric, other. What is it? Well, how do we know? Well, if you go to the notes, in fact, let me just put the notes right here for you. The exam 5 notes. Here's the first part, and let me grab that second part. All right, so here's what we need to know. It says an arithmetic sequence adds or subtracts the same number from term to term. So arithmetic is like arithmetic when you were a kid, right? First thing you learned in arithmetic is in math, was arithmetic, adding and subtracting. Then you got a little older and you learned multiplying and dividing. That's called a geometric sequence when it multiplies or divides the same number from term to term. Okay, so let's go back to it. So what's happening from term to term? Is it adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing? What's it doing? I think it's pretty obvious. You all know. Mine, you have a different one for yourself. Mine is adding 3, isn't it? So just keep going. Add 3, 21. Add 3, 24. Add 3, 27. So we're adding 3. So that makes it arithmetic. Arithmetic, again, because arithmetic adds or subtracts the same number. So it's arithmetic, it's arithmetic, adding and subtracting. Okay, now they want a formula for the nth term. Well, then since we know it's arithmetic, let's grab the nth term formula for arithmetic. Instead of the one down here for geometric, because we don't have geometric, we're not multiplying the same number from term to term. We are adding the same number from term to term. So we grab the arithmetic formula. Come on up here. The arithmetic formula is an is a 1 plus n minus 1d. See there. Okay, so now, how are we going to do this? What's the d? What it says right here, the d is the difference or the jump from term to term. So what's the jump from term to term? 3. That's the d. It's the difference from term to term to 3. So the d is 3. Okay, so we got that. That's 3. And then what's a sub 1? Well, that's just the first term. 9. Like that. Okay, and then we can just clean that up a little bit. Just distribute that 3 through there, and you get 3n minus 3. And 9 minus 3 is 6. There it is. 6 plus 3n. There's the formula for the nth term. In other words, you could plug a 1 into that, and what is 6 plus 3? You get first term. See that? Plug in a 2, 6 plus 3 times 2, 6 plus 6, 12. Etc. You can get any term. You could jump to the 100th term right now. Plug in 100, you'll get the 100th term. So that's the formula that will give you any term you want to have. There it is.